Hi everyone, today I'm gonna share how to make this keychain. I'm not an expert of making leather. I made it just because my husband wants it. Yeah, I'm just gonna share something that's really easy to make. Alright, let's get started. Okay, first of all, get 120 centimeters long leather. Cut the edges thinner. The other side. And then get a nice hook. I think it's called barcode. Not sure. Pretty much it's done. Well, this project is really easy. Oh, we also need a D-ring at the other end. Or maybe a key ring. And then use this roller roll on it. It will help you to see where your stitch will be. Yeah, so let's make both sides of stitch away from both edges. Now get a 4 teeth iron, punch holes on it. Alright, now you can see both sides got holes on it. And what we need to do, just assemble this leather strap and barcode and D-ring together. After checking everything is okay, we need to pop one more line. Just stick into those holes we had before and punch harder to go through the level underneath. Alright, I'm just gonna put my key ring with keys. It's easier this way. And get a red thread and needle. Thread the needle through first. And take your needle, punch right through to your thread. It's kind of locked it. Like this. And tie a knot at the other end. And what we need to do, just put the stitch on. Take a single needle that is being threaded from the back side of the first hole. Oh, we also need to put some glue on it. Put on those parts we are going to put stitches. Alright, keep making stitches. This leather is really hard. Well, not finished yet, we still need to sew back. Make double stitch at the end. Yay, last stitch. And then tie a knot. Hide this knot between layers. And we are done. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.